wondered why it is a concept of accounting in the current time? Well, we feel the same, but people of your confusion and generosity, because today we're going to discuss the nature of evolution of accounting. So, nature of accounting, the systematic recording of financial transaction, and the presentation of related information to appropriate individuals.
Accounting deals with financial information and transactions. Accounting records financial transactions and data, classifies this and finalizes the result given for a specified period of time and needed by their users at every stage from start to finish. Accounting deals with financial information and financial information only. It does not deal with non-monetary or non-financial aspects of such information.
Accounting is a service activity to provide assistance to decision makers. Accounting is a process refers to the method of performing any specific job, step by step according to the objectives or targets. Accounting is identified as a process as it performs specific tasks, collecting, processing, and communicating financial information.
Accounting is both an art and a discipline. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing, and finalizing financial data. The word art refers to the way something is performed. It is behavioral knowledge involving a certain creativity and skill to help us attain some specific objectives. Accounting is a systematic method consisting of definite techniques, and its proper application requires skill and expertise. So by nature, accounting is an art, and because it follows certain standards and professional ethics, it is also a discipline.
To present the development of modern accounting standard and the commerce. The accounting professional in the 20th century development around state requirements for financial statement. Our dates beyond that industries. Self-regulation, the government also set accounting standard through law and agencies such as the Security and Exchange Communications.